In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Discord account without phone number. Before we get started, it's important to understand that there is no legitimate way to bypass Discord's phone verification requirements when they are enforced. Methods that rely on temporary SM services, public phone numbers, or other unofficial workarounds can violate Discord's rules and may put your account at risk. Instead, this tutorial will focus on the safe and approved options available if you'd rather not use your primary phone number whenever possible. First, let's look at why Discord may request phone verification in the first place. Discord uses verification systems to reduce spam, prevent malicious activity, and protect communities from raids and abuse. In some cases, Discord itself may require verification. In other situations, individual servers may have their own security requirements before allowing members to participate fully. A common mistake is relying on temporary or publicly shared SM services. While these services may seem convenient, they often create more problems than they solve. Messages sent to those numbers may be visible to other users, the numbers can be recycled, and Discord frequently identifies and blocks many of them. Even if verification appears successful at first, it could lead to account issues later. One of the most important things you can do is make sure your email address is verified in Discord. Open your account settings, confirm that your email is verified, and keep that email address up to date. A verified email helps establish account legitimacy and provides a reliable recovery method if you ever lose access to your account. Next, improve your account security by enabling two-factor authentication with an authenticator application instead of SMS-based verification. This adds an extra layer of protection and helps keep your account secure. It can also demonstrate that you're taking account security seriously. If you're trying to join a server that requires phone verification, take a moment to review the server's rules, welcome channels, or onboarding instructions. Some communities provide alternative options, such as waiting periods or manual review processes. If you have privacy concerns, you can respectfully contact the server's moderators and ask whether an email-only option or another approved method is available. If Discord itself requires phone verification because of a security check, you will need access to a valid phone number that can receive SMS messages from Discord. Avoid unsupported services, and if a number has already been linked to another account, contact Discord support through the official help center for assistance. Never share passwords, verification codes, or authentication details with anyone. To summarize, verify your email, enable authenticator-based two-factor authentication, communicate with moderators when appropriate, and only use legitimate verification methods approved by Discord. These steps will help protect your privacy, maintain account security, and keep your account in good standing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,